Immobiliser Fit, and it's a brand new BMW i7 protected with a Halo Mini. So if a thief got this key and done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to start up, but it's just not going to go into gear. As you see, goes into gear, goes straight back into park. If you see down here, into gear, back into park, they're unable to drive it away. So for the customer, they can use a push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have, for now, we get a flash from the full beam, and now the vehicle is going to go into gear and they're going to be able to drive it. Once they leave the vehicle, we get 2 flashes. The system's active, so if a thief grabbed your key as you hopped out, went to steal your vehicle, they're going to be unable to drive it away. It's going to hop straight back into park. So we'll just pop that code in again, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get that flash from the full beam. We can select our gear and drive away. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do, in this, they have to keep their foot off the brake, triple tap the start button, 1, 2, 3, to get the ignition on. And we'll put our foot to the floor 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 2 flashes. Now we can set our new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, turn the ignition off. We get 1 flash confirming our new code, so when we leave the vehicle, system's active. Now we get back in it. We'll start the car up. 1, 2, 3. We get our flash, we can select our gear. The customers take this for a service, put this system into service mode so it's a normal vehicle. They keep their foot off the brake, triple tap to get the ignition on, pop their code in, 1, 2, 3. We get our flash, but we'll keep the button held for 10 seconds, and as you'll see, we'll get 5 flashes. We can now let go of the button. This is a normal vehicle, so when we leave, the system doesn't activate, and we can drive the vehicle without a code. We'll start it up and it will go into gear, no need to enter a code. When you get it back, it's the same process again, so foot off the brake, triple tap, 1, 2, 3, the ignition comes on, pop the code in, left, right, left, and we hold to take it out of service mode, just like we did to put it in. Keep it held. This time we'll only get 1 flash. Now the system's active, so we'll open the door. System's on. We start it up, go to select a gear. See, the vehicle doesn't go into gear, just goes straight back into park. So we'll pop the code in, left, right, left. We get our flash, we can pop it in gear. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.